Nah, come on, throw me some more.
Wow.
Come on, bring it on.
Ready? Ready? Yeah, thank you, thank you. That is so funny.
Oof.
Oh, you want to give me a round of applause? All right, all right. Yeah.
Oh, he got it.
You can get that.
Oh, you got it from the water.
Who wants one? Oh, you. Yeah, you want it. I'm so loner. Give him one.
He's like, yeah, come on, bring it.
He's like, yeah, homeboy. Happy birthday, y'all. Yeah. Yeah, let's go.
Last peanut for me.
I was coming down like, hey, what's going on, guys?
Let's see how far I can throw it. Oh, it went inside the water. Yeah, you almost got that one, homie. You want it? You want it?
I think so.
Oh, and it's gonna go in the water. Throw it up.
Hey, that was. Oh, last resort.
Oh my God. He's like, hey nigga, give me the rest.
I'll take your hair.
Come on, old man, you better take that. Before you get into a fight again.
I'm like, uh-oh, run!
We're right here. No, yeah, no more.
I have one last one. He's not doing that.
Oh. Have fun with you guys.